Hello, artists. Welcome. Welcome back to the kitchen table and art journal life. Today, I wanted to talk to you about creating your own personal power symbol. When I talk about personal power symbols, think in terms of Wonder Woman. Do you remember a few years back, Amy Cuddy did a TED Talk about the Wonder Woman pose? I'm going to do it for you. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it so you can see it, but it was basically holding your hands on your hips just like this. And it created power. It created the feeling of power. You can find the TED Talk, but I'll find it for you and post it in case you've never seen it. But this week we're going to do our own personal power symbol. So if you stand like this before you do anything, they talk about doing it before you go on a job interview or before anything important that you have to do, but just get up in the morning and do it and take back your power. You know why? Because we all need to do this, right? We all need to take back our power. We need to feel more powerful. I think after this year of pandemic closures and all that, we need to take back our power big time. So this week, make your power symbol. This is what we're going to do. So a symbol is a touchstone for your power, right? So a symbol could be anything you want it to be, really. It's a reminder of who you are. It reminds you of where your strength is, and a symbol keeps you focused. So think of the Wonder Woman emblem on her chest, or any superhero, right? It's their symbol. It's them. So you're going to create in your journal your own symbol. So you can look for images in magazines. You could take your own photos and create something. Search for images that you're interested that would be powerful to you. So I don't know, I know, for instance, every time I go someplace, I see hawks everywhere I go. So maybe a hawk would be part of my symbol. Do you have letters or numbers that mean something to you? Is there a tool that you use every day, such as your artist brush, or a pen or a pencil that matters to you, or, a spatula, what have you? So you're going to take these things that have meaning to you. So think about nature. Is there a plant, or do you like leaves, or do you have an animal power symbol? And you're going to include all those to make your power symbol. So it could be a square, a rectangle, a shield. It could be any shape you want. And then in that shape, you're going to create your power symbol. So it might have, Wonder Woman has the WW. It might be your initials. It might be the initials of your alter ego. Say you have an alter ego. Like my alter ego has always been Lilith. Long story. So whoever your alter ego is, we all probably have one, or we all might not think about it, but we have one. Create something that is your symbol and create that in your journal this week. That's your job. That's it. That's all I have for you. Think about, does it have letters? Does it have numbers? What are the things? So you might want to gather a bunch of things and then narrow down, right? So say you gathered a bunch of images and, you're only going to use 2, 3, 4, something like that to create this image. And that then, from this moment forward, becomes your power symbol until you decide to do something different with it. It could be about love. It could be about compassion. It could be about strength or beauty. You name it. It could be about anything you want. So I can't wait to see what you create. I hope that you have a great week, and I'll see you again next week. Take care, everybody.